Hi guys, number 10 on the circuit list, quick draw. It's intended for 2 people to play it. You end up with 4 pieces of wire coming out, 2 pairs. One person holds one pair and the other person holds the other pair. Somebody says go and you have to try and touch the wires together. And the first person to touch the wires together wins. And you light up some LEDs on the front to show you who did first. So player A, LED 1, player B, LED 2. If you both do them together, then they both light up. Okay, let's go for it. 6 to 4, white one. To 58. Battery. The blue reach. Yep. Okay, 6 to 4 to 58 to 123. It's on escape. 58, 123, 122. 119. 167. That's the key on the front there. Eight to 155. One of the LEDs. 10 to 153. Other LED. 28 to 168. Up here. 28 to 168. The other side of the code key to 129. Down there. To 134. And that reach. 60 battery to 140. On-off switch. We can't do that with a blue one, can we? No, it's not long enough. One 125 to 130. 130 to 154. That's going to be a red one. So that's our LED again. 130. 126 to 121. That'll have to be a red one. To 152. The other LED. I think we can reach with a red one on there. 152, 121. 3 to 132. Oh, come on. We haven't got enough of these long wires. 3 to 132 to a long wire, and it actually says blue. Okay. 5 to 127. Will the blue do that? 5 to 127. And then it says to another long wire, which is going to be a yellow one. But we're going to run out of yellows. Yeah, we're running out of yellows. It says another yellow. Well, we haven't got another yellow. So it's going to have to be a blue one. to 27, to 7, 27, to 7, to 9, to 141, other side of the on-off switch, to 128. Oh, come on. To 128, that one. And 128 to 131. That's getting a bit tight. 128 to 131. To 133. And then another long wire. So these two are supposed to be blue. This one and this one are supposed to both be yellow. So this is going to be a little bit awkward. We have to do that with one hand and that with the other hand. Because there's only me, not two of us, to play this game. Right, we've done that. Put batteries in. Turn the control knob to on. I've got one LED on. Press the key once. Let's turn the LEDs out. Yep, that turned LED 1 on. Clear it. That turned LED 2 on. I've no idea how I'm going to coordinate this. Okay, we'll move the camera so you can see what's going on. Right, I've rigged it up so I've got a pair of wires in my right hand, pair of wires in my left hand. If I touch them together, number 2 LED comes on. If I press those together without cancelling it, nothing happens. Press the code key to clear it. Press them together. Number 1 comes on. Press those together and nothing happens because it's latched onto the other one. So the clever thing will be to see if I can get them both to come on together at the same time. Nope. 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 Oh, yes. Well, I reckon there was a bit of a delay there before that came on. But that was, in theory, both of them together. I think it gave us a bit of a delay time. Clear it. On. Nothing happens. Clear it. On. Nothing happens. Try and get them both together. Nope. Nope. Yes. But there's definitely a bit of a delay there. That's it. That was the quick draw, wasn't it? Yeah, quick draw. Would have been more interesting with 2 people, but I'm on my own. Showing you the diagram and the instructions. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.